Diplodocus was one of the largest dinosaurs that ever lived. It was Triceratops had a very large head with 3 very long horns. It also had a kind of collar around its neck. Stegosaurus was an armored dinosaur. It had 4 large spikes on its tail and plates on its back that formed a large ridge. Ankylosaurus was an armored dinosaur with lots of spikes along its body. It also had a large club at the end of its tail that it used as a defensive weapon. Diplodocus was one of the largest dinosaurs that ever lived. Put the sequence in order. There were male and female dinosaurs. Spinosaurus. Was one of Ceratosaurus was a hunter, and it had 3 small horns on its head. It had 1 large horn on the top of its nose and a small one on top of each eye. Allosaurus was a predatory dinosaur. That means that it hunted other dinosaurs to eat. Some dinosaurs had feathers like the velociraptor. Even though it had feathers, it could not fly. But this is proof that birds evolved from dinosaurs. Dinosaurs did not live alone. There were also many other animals in the age of the dinosaurs, such as insects, snails, lizards, and rodents. Ceratosaurus Put the sequence in order. Order from smallest to biggest. Not all dinosaurs were big. Microraptor, for example, was very small. It could not fly, but it could make big jumps by launching itself from a Not all dinosaurs were big. Microraptor, for example, was very small. It could not fly, but it could make big jumps by launching itself from a tree. Elasmosaurus was not a dinosaur, because dinosaurs did not live in the sea, but it was a large creature that lived at the same time as the dinosaurs. It had a very long neck. Tupandactylus was not a dinosaur, but it lived at the same time as them. It could fly and had a large crest on its head. Pterodactylus was a flying reptile, not a dinosaur. It was carnivorous and could even catch fish. Pterodactylus was a flying reptile, not a dinosaur. It was carnivorous and could even catch fish. Anchiornis was a small dinosaur with wings. It looked a lot like the birds of today. Thanks to this dinosaur, paleontologists have been able to show that birds evolved from dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex is one of the most famous dinosaurs. It was very big. It ate meat and had enormous teeth. A tooth measuring more than 30 centimeters long has been found. Scary. Fossils are the remains of animals and plants that lived many years ago. Thanks to them, paleontologists can study what dinosaurs were like and how they lived. Put the sequence in order.